Hi all, welcome back to CSEC Mathematics with Mr. Charles. Today we are continuing to look at binomial expansion. We are on question number 17, so we have a minus b multiplied by a plus 3b. So we would expand it like this, a times a and the same a times 3b. And then we'll say minus b times a and minus b and negative b times 3b. So let's go ahead and write that down. So we have a times a plus a times 3b, okay, plus negative a times a, or negative b times a rather. Okay, negative b times a plus negative b times 3b. Okay, then after we expand, we simplify. A times a is a squared, okay, plus a times 3b is 3ab, negative b times a is negative ab, plus negative b times 3b is negative 3b squared. Then we have to simplify this combination of signs here. So we will get a squared plus 3b, or 3ab, okay, plus 3ab, okay, minus ab minus 3b squared. Okay, and as our final answer, we will get a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared. Okay, and that's our answer there. Good. Let's look at number 18. We have 9x plus 2y times 5x plus 3y. So we will get 9x times 5x. Okay, 9x times 5x plus 9x times 3y. Okay, 9x times 3y plus 2y times 5x, 2y times 5x plus 2y times 3y. Okay, 2y times 3y. Good. And we would have to simplify that, so we get 9 times 5 is 45, and x times x is x squared, so 45x squared plus 9 3 is 27, x times y is xy, 27xy, plus 2 times 5 is 10, y times x is xy, so that's 10xy, plus 2 times 3 is 6, okay, and y times y is y squared, so that's 6y squared. Good. And we can simplify further. Okay, 27xy plus 10xy equals 37xy. So we will get 45x squared plus 37xy plus 6y squared. And that would be our answer there. Okay. Now for number 19, we have 7x minus 3y times 4 minus 5z. So we would take the 7x, okay, 7x times 4, okay, so the 7x times the 4, good, plus the same 7x times 5z, or negative 5z, okay, the same 7x times negative 5z, okay, and I'm putting the negative inside here because I didn't account for it outside here, okay, plus negative 3y times 4, negative 3y times 4, okay, plus the same negative 3y times negative 5z, okay, negative 3y times negative 5z. Good. Let me just put a separation here. Good. So let's continue. So 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, and then we bring down the x. So 7x times 4 is 28x. Okay. Plus 7x times negative 5z. Well, positive times negative is negative. And 7 times 5 is 35. So that's negative 35. X times z is xz. Good. Plus negative 3y times 4. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then we bring down the y, so that's negative 12y plus negative 3y times negative 5z. Negative times positive. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 5 is 15. So that's positive 15. Y times z is yz. Okay. We need to simplify these combination of signs here. Whenever you have a positive sign followed directly by a negative sign, the resultant sign would be negative. So we will get 28x minus 35xz plus 12y plus 15yz. Is there anything else we can do to this expression? The answer is no. Okay, so we just have to leave that expression as it is as our final answer. Good. Let's look at number 20. We have x plus y times x minus 3y. So we say x times x. Okay, so that's equal to x times x plus the same x times negative 3y. So x times negative 3y. Okay, plus y times x. Okay, y times x plus the same y times negative 3y. So that's y times negative 3y. Good. And then we go ahead to simplify that expanded expression. So x times x is x squared plus x times negative 3y is negative 3xy plus y times x is xy plus y times negative 3y is negative 3y squared. Good. So we have to simplify these two signs here. Okay, so we get x squared and these two as well. Okay, so we get x squared minus 3xy plus xy. Okay, minus 3y squared. Now, whenever you have an algebraic term without a coefficient, the coefficient can be seen as being 1. So xy here is the same as 1xy. Okay, 1xy. So we can simplify further. Okay, so we get x squared, and then this expression in the middle there, negative 3xy plus 1xy, the signs are different. Okay, the signs are different, and whenever the signs are different, we have to subtract the smaller term from the larger term and keep the sign in front of the larger term. So we have to say 1 subtracted from 3, or 1xy subtracted from 3xy, or you could even say 3xy minus 1xy. You would get 2xy. Okay, you would get 2xy, and the sign in front of the larger one is, the larger number here is 3, the larger coefficient is 3, and the sign in front of it is negative. So that's x squared minus 2xy rather than x squared plus 2xy. And then we just bring down this part here. Okay, this part here, we just bring it down. Minus 3y squared. And that's our final answer. Good. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So we have number 21. We have x plus 2p all squared, or the square of the sum of x and 2p. So we get equal, this is the same as x plus 2p times x plus 2p. Okay, now x times x, okay, would give us, okay, so let's write that out, x times x, okay, plus x times 2p, okay, x times x plus x times 2p plus 2p times x, okay, 2p times x plus 2p times 2p, okay, 2p times 2p. Now simplifying, we get x times x equals x squared plus x times 2p equals 2xp. Okay, always put the coefficient first. Or I could have said 2px, it doesn't matter. 2p times x is 2xp as well. Okay, plus 2p times 2p is 4p squared. Then we could simplify this expression in the middle here. Okay, positive 2xp plus positive 2xp is positive 4xp. So we get x squared plus 4xp plus 4p squared. Okay, and that's our answer there. Good. Now for number 22. Okay, number 22, we have x plus 3 all squared. So that is the same as x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so we get x times x plus x times 3. Okay, x times 3 plus 3 times x. Okay, 3 times x plus 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3. Good. And that would give us x squared here. Okay, because x times x is x squared plus x times 3 is 3x plus 3x plus 3 times 3 is 9. And then we simplify, we get x squared plus 6x because 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 9, and that's our answer there. Good. Number 23, we have 1 plus 5x all squared. So we get, that's the same as 1 plus 5x times 1 plus 5x. Okay, so that would give us 1 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1 plus the same 1 times 5x. Okay, 1 times 5x plus 5x times 1. Okay, plus the same 5x times 5x. Okay, 5x times 5x, that is. Okay, and now we simplify. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1 times 5x is 5x. 5x times 1 is also 5x because multiplication is commutative. It doesn't matter whether the 1 comes before the 5 or the 5 comes before the 5x or the 5x comes before the 1. It doesn't matter. Okay, both of them would give the same answer. Okay, so 1 times 5x is 5x. 5x times 1 is still 5x. Plus 5x times 5x, well, 5 times 5 is 25. And x times x is x squared. So we get 25x squared. Simplifying, we get 1 plus 5x plus 5x is 10x. So 1 plus 10x plus 25x squared. And that's our answer there.